So if you recall in the previous video, we actually make a package, right, to call up perplexity. And then the result we got back is actually JSON, right? And then if you run it via like public, right, then you can clean up and do something else. But you can also do this within packages. So let me show you how. Right. So if you recall, we actually made use of a HTTP block, right? So then we went about, getting the telephone line, putting the headers, putting in the JSON body, and then we managed to call perplexity, right? So, but in this video, we're not going to repeat the same thing. We're just going to, okay, I'm going to move this out of the way first, right? We are just going to call up the package that we made before, right? So that is so that's the nice thing about packages, that if you made a package before, and you can now use it in conjunction with other packages, right? You can basically link it to other packages that is either made by you or Malcolm, or someone else, and then you can now kind of like link them up, right, to make a, a gigantic super mega package, right? So to do that, right, we will call up the package that we made. Okay, and it's in yellow color, right? So we'll say, okay, call perplexity for answer. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. And the question is, oh, what is okay? How do you win at social media marketing? All right, so let's say this is our question. All right, and we're going to remove this now because we no longer need this. We have already created okay, the first block, and then we also need a finish block, right, so that we can display so this is the end block, right? And we will need to clean up this data. So what we're going to do is we are going to use the JS executor. Right, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to connect this, right, and say that whatever result response that we get back from perplexity, we're going to clean it up. This is what this block is for, and this is what it means. All right, and under here, environment with text, we are going to type the core. All right, we're going to say, okay, whatever you get, we're going to put it inside here. So you put it under environment with text. Then we will need like a script, right? So in this case, is a code or script. So we need a JS script. All right, the JavaScript, right? So I've got one prepared here. So it's just 2 lines, all right? And then we are going to go back to packages and paste it inside here. So basically what I'm going to say, whatever input that comes in, right, and the input, right, will look something like this right here, like many, many things. But we only want this line that says content, right? And then content is underneath message, and message is under choices, and this is the zero index, right? So basically, what it means is that we want the JSON, right? That line, okay? We want to return that JSON line that is choices, and then it's index 0, and it's a message. Under this message, there's a content. We want this line, so that's what it means. All right. So I couldn't explain any simpler, and this is what I understand, right? So whatever input that comes in, we just want this line. That's all it means. So if you want, you can actually copy and paste, and you will see this in the description when I post this on YouTube, right? You can just copy and paste same thing. If you are using Perplexity, if you're using OpenAI or Strico, then I think it's a bit longer. Yeah, it's got one more, two more things there. All right, so then this is called the answer. Okay, the answer. Okay, well, maybe we could just call this cleanup. All right, so this is a cleanup. So we are done with this. All right, that's all we need to do. Then for here, under the finish block, okay, we're going to say we want to call upon whatever's in here, which is that answer, right? And put it in here. And then we are going to call this the result. And uh, let's keep it as markdown to HTML. All right, so that's all. Okay, and we are going to hit the run package. Okay, wait. Okay, because we do not have a input block, right? We will need to type this directly inside. But if you want to, I can create one. It's called the maybe you call it the question block. What questions do you have, right? Then over here, it's probably more elegant when we do that, right? So question, right? So now, basically, whatever we type here is going to go inside here. Whatever is here is going to be cleaned up, and whatever is cleaned up is going to be, sped out at this end, and it's going to be delivered to us in a nice, clean text, right? So let's see if this works. I'm going to hit the run package. So now you see the differences that I can ask question here. Oh, okay. What? Okay. Which is the tallest building in, well, let's call it Asia, all right? So I am going to hit the run package, and then the package is going to do its job. And now that it's done, right? So um, you can't see this now, but I don't think consume anything, right? So it says the tallest building in Asia is the blah 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 in Dubai, and it's 828 meters. All right. So you can see here. Okay. So that's all we care about, right? We do not want the whole JSON string, because if we have the whole JSON, this whole if this is the response, right, and they give us everything here, how are you going to post this on Facebook? You can't, right? So, and then the nice thing about packages is that now you can say, okay, I want, all right, to post this on Facebook, and then you can give the URL, and then over here the message will be, okay, I cannot type anything. Okay, email message. Oh no, why? What's wrong? You see, I mentioned previously that if you have those boxes with the dot on top and dot below, you should link them up. And then I can say, well, I want the message to appear here. I just need to go and find a Facebook group, which the URL, right? So that I can copy the URL and paste it here. So when I hit the run package, the next time around, whatever questions they ask will be cleaned up and then posted onto that Facebook group. And then this is how automation is done, right? You basically ask a question and then everything else is done for you, right? Which includes the cleaning up and the posting bit and the answer as well. So I may not have the answer, but then I just want to post the answer there. Right. So that's essentially the goal of this video, right? To show you how to clean this up. And if you have watched the previous videos, right, that lead to this moment, you would be able to have a basic understanding of what packages can do, and then now you can go about creating other packages of your own, right? So I hope you enjoy this little series, and if you have any questions, comments, put it in the comment box below. And if you like this, then do like, subscribe, and comment, so that you can train the algorithm, right, to learn to learn about these videos, and then present it to or show it to people who are looking to understand automation or packages, and then perhaps help to spread this movement, right, that we are in, right, together with Malcolm and packages. Right, so that's all. Hope you learned something. Okay, bye bye.